Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best narrow kitchen island is probably one of the most practical additions to any kitchen, especially if you're dealing with limited space. These islands offer a fantastic blend of functionality and style, providing extra workspace, storage, and even a casual dining area. In this video, we'll explore the top narrow kitchen islands, helping you find the perfect one to enhance your culinary experience. Number 5. VASAGLE Kitchen Island UKKI 005W09. This kitchen island offers a spacious 23.6-inch DX 39.4W surface, perfect for food preparation. It's also large enough to keep your toaster or coffee machine within easy reach, making your kitchen tasks more convenient. With its 3-tier design, this island provides ample storage. You can place a flower vase or tea set on top, kitchen appliances on the middle shelf, and bakeware on the lower shelf, keeping everything organized and accessible. This kitchen table is incredibly versatile with its 35.4-inch height. Use it as a breakfast table, a coffee bar for your coffee machine and accessories, or even a bar table for serving drinks. The choice is yours. The adjustable feet prevent the kitchen island from wobbling, even on uneven floors. They also protect your floor from scratches, ensuring stability and preventing damage. Assembly is easy with clear instructions, numbered parts, and an included tool. You'll have this baker's rack assembled quickly and easily, ready to enhance your kitchen. What we like? This kitchen island offers a large worktop, perfect for meal prep or keeping appliances close. It also features 3-tier storage, keeping everything organized and accessible. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-assemble kitchen island, this is a great choice for you. What people say? Easy to assemble, very sturdy and good quality. This was perfect for my small kitchen. I recently did a mini renovation and was looking to replace my big, bulky, clunky table and get something with ample storage with plenty of shelf space. This fit the bill perfectly. I got the table and the taller shelf and they both worked out wonderful in my kitchen. Very easy to assemble and it's quite beautiful looking too. It's tall, sturdy and really easy to piece together. You need it, trust. Number 4. VASAGLE UKKI 01BX Kitchen Island with 3 shelves. This kitchen island offers a spacious 23.6-inch DX 47.2W surface, perfect for food preparation. It's also large enough to keep your toaster or coffee machine within easy reach. This worktop provides great convenience. This island features 3 shelves for all your storage needs. You can place a flower vase or tea set on top, kitchen appliances in the middle, and bakeware on the bottom. Everything will be nicely organized and easily accessible. With a height of 35.4 inches, this kitchen table is incredibly versatile. Use it as a breakfast table, a coffee bar, or a bar table for serving drinks. The choice is entirely yours. Say goodbye to annoying wobbles and scratches. The adjustable feet prevent the island from wobbling on uneven floors. They also protect your floor from any unwanted scratches. Assembly is easy with clear instructions, numbered parts, and an included tool. You'll have this baker's rack assembled in no time at all. What we like? With a spacious worktop and 3-tier storage, this island is designed for convenience. The adjustable feet prevent wobbling, ensuring stability on any floor. If you like a kitchen island that combines functionality with stability, you should consider this one. What people say? Easy to assemble, very sturdy and good quality. I purchased this island along with the 2-person high-top table from the same company. It was easy enough to put together. It comes with directions, extra screws, and an Allen wrench. It's tall, sturdy, and really easy to piece together. You need it, trust. Number 3. VASAGLE 5-tier Slim Rolling Cart. Tired of wasted space? This slim rolling cart is designed to fit perfectly into those narrow gaps. It provides extra storage without taking up much room. With 5 tiers, this cart offers plenty of storage options. You can organize your items, from spices to snacks, with ease. Built with a robust metal frame and quality particle board, this cart is made to last. It's a reliable storage solution for your home. Need to move it around? The metal handle and swivel casters make it simple. It glides effortlessly wherever you need it. Don't worry about complicated setups. Numbered parts and clear instructions make assembly a breeze. You'll have it ready in no time. What we like. This slim rolling cart is designed to fit into narrow spaces, maximizing your storage. It offers 5-tier storage, providing ample room for all your essentials. If you have a small kitchen or need extra storage in a tight spot, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. It's lightweight but sturdy. The racks hold my large bottled spices with space to spare. The wheels make it easy to roll the rack around my kitchen with ease. Number 2. VASAGLE UKKI 002B01 Kitchen Island. Looking for more than just storage? This kitchen island combines rustic brown boards and a matte black steel frame. It adds a unique charm to your kitchen with its stylish design. With 3 open shelves and 6 hooks, everything is within reach. You can easily find your flour, pan, or blender without wasting time. It's more than just a kitchen island. Use it as a printer stand, bookshelf, plant stand, or coffee station. The possibilities are endless with this versatile piece. Assembly is quick and easy. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have this kitchen shelf ready in no time, leaving you more time for cooking. You'll receive a kitchen island with a robust steel frame and adjustable feet. This ensures stability, providing a secure perch for your oven while you bake. What we like. This kitchen island adds a unique charm to your kitchen with its rustic design. It features 3 open shelves and 6 hooks for easy access to your items. If you are looking for a versatile kitchen island that can also serve as a stylish addition to your home, you should consider it. What people say. This fit perfect, it's counter height and it got the large microwave off the counter. Able to get some things off my counter, which the counter space is very limited. It added more workspace, great for a smaller area and perfect for what I wanted. Number 1. Forever Winner 43 Rolling Kitchen Island. This rolling kitchen island provides extra space for meal prep, cooking, and casual gatherings. It even offers additional storage. The drop leaf design allows it to transform into a dining table, maximizing your space. The island features towel and spice racks for convenience. It also includes 3 drawers and an adjustable shelf inside the cabinet to meet all your storage needs. This allows you to organize items of different heights. You don't need a large kitchen to benefit from this island. It can be used as an island table, bar cart, or even a working station. Make sure all screws are in position during assembly to avoid any issues. The assembly video can help with any confusion. The kitchen cart has 4 smooth rolling wheels for easy movement. 2 wheels have brakes to keep it stable when parked. You can move it around to keep everything you need within reach. This rolling kitchen island cart is made of engineered wood with a sturdy rubber wood tabletop. It's built to last. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This rolling kitchen island is a true space saver, perfect for smaller kitchens. It offers a drop leaf design and ample storage with drawers and racks. If you have limited space but need a functional and mobile kitchen island, you should consider this one. What people say. I needed it for the additional storage and the bar-style design that allows seating, which was nice to have in my tiny kitchen with very few cabinets and no room for a table. The height is perfect for a working surface while standing, and can be used for just about anything, from food prep to crafting projects. I was looking for an island with wheels and with some countertop space as well as some extra storage space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.